Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're back at World Market and searching for a new rug to add to the man cave sitting area. Is it me, or does it seem like whenever you go to the store for one particular item, you look at a million other different things? Well, that's happening right now. Luckily, we didn't get a cart, so we didn't end up purchasing any extras when we got to the register. Okay, so after much evaluation, Hubs decided to go with the chunky white bleach jute rug, which is the same rug we actually have in our breakfast nook area. And I love it. It's low maintenance and good for high traffic, so your girl won't have to replace or complete any cleaning for this piece. So now that we have the rug home, we're just going to clear out the area where the rug will be placed, and hopefully you'll like the end results just as much as we do. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more man cave renovation, cleaning, and decorating videos. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.